Hi, I'm Jen Dearden, editor, chef, and registered dietitian at Cook for Your Life. This is your most asked questions about nutrition. What are probiotics and prebiotics, and why are they important? So probiotics are what you think of as good gut bacteria. So these are living microorganisms that live in your gut. They can help break down your food, fight inflammation, and keep that balance between good and bad bacteria. Good sources of probiotics include yogurt, kefir, miso, kombucha, kimchi. When you're cooking with probiotic foods, try to make sure not to overheat them or boil them. Check out our vegetable miso soup recipe for a great example of how to cook a hot food without killing beneficial bacteria. Prebiotics are great sources of food for those good gut bacteria. Research is still being done to really understand prebiotics, but some things that we know are that they can help produce hormones that signal fullness and hunger. They can help improve your immune system, and of course they can increase your good gut bacteria. Prebiotic foods are high in fermentable soluble fiber, so eat plants. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains are all great sources of fiber. For more recipes and nutrition tips, check out cookforyourlife.org.